Hi, my name is Chef Eric Teo and welcome to FairPrice Chinese New Year Cooking Special. Today I'm going to show you how to use Diamond Life Frozen White Prawns to cook a fruitful sweet prawns. So this is a large orange, which I got it from FairPrice. I just scoop up the meat, is to put the fruits inside later for presentation. So let's start. Here we got the prawns already been thawed. So you thaw it in the fridge, in the chiller. So I'm going to fry the prawns right now, and I don't need any seasoning because I'm going to fry with the shell. Just let it sit and grill by itself until when you see the sides turn orange, then you flip over. Okay, so at this time we can put in our bell peppers, fry together with the prawns. Okay, so we lower the heat down, put the orange juice. So we're going to put a little bit of salt, small teaspoon of sugar, some Tabasco, apple, toss a little bit. So we're going to add the pear. Now why do I do it the last minute? One is to show you how I do it, and the other thing is the pear oxidizes faster than the apple. It gives you two textures here. It gives you a sweetness of the prawns because the prawns itself is already very sweet, plus the fruits, and the Tabasco give you a hint of the acidity and the sourness plus the spiciness, and the whole thing comes around so beautiful. Alright, we are ready to plate right now. So I'm going to place the vegetables and Parmesan fruits into the orange shell. Continue to place the prawn around. So this is the orange segment. Now we're going to garnish with the mint leaf. Finally, place some sauce around the prawns. Taste and abundance of flavors with my fruitful sweet prawns. FairPrice wishes you and your loved ones a happy Chinese New Year.